Hey guys, it's Rick from Torrentator, and today I'm discussing version 1.200, which has been the biggest update to date, including things like account creators, DeathByCaptcha support, and much more. So, without further ado, let me get started and show you what's new. First of all, we now support DeathByCaptcha in addition to DeathByCaptcha, just to give you more options, essentially. Now, the way DeathByCaptcha works is a little bit differently in terms of the information you need to provide. DeathByCaptcha, you have your address, username, password, and port. DeathByCaptcha, you don't need that. You only need your username and password. So similarly, type in your username, your password, hit bounce test. If it's successful, that means that service is active. Okay, and if you want to enable DeathByCaptcha or DeathByCaptcha for automatic captcha decryption, it's a bit long, but okay, hit this button right here. And as you can see, once you hit that, the manual captcha form over here grays out. So bang and bang. DeathByCaptcha is a bit quicker with the program. DeathByCaptcha is still in its, I guess, beta infancy. We will obviously be improving it here and there, but right now I'd still recommend you use DeathByCaptcha with Torrentator, unless you have no other choice as to use DeathByCaptcha. Okay, so that's that. Next thing, which is very cool. That's a very simple thing. But next thing, which is very cool, we now have automatic account creators. So hit up account creator, the little field over here, little button, and this will bring you up a whole new form, a whole new window. Now the way we do this is very cool. We have both DeathByCaptcha, so it's completely automatic. Hit that. You can also generate random usernames and random passwords. So bang, bang, bang. Now your username and password will be completely random. You don't have to generate anything else. Your email, make this something else. Make this I don't know, something silly. Okay. Then all you gotta do is choose the torrent sites you want to create. So in this case, I'm just go ahead and the Pirate Bay and I don't know, extra torrent, just for lack of time essentially. You can also use proxies and stuff, and these go into your proxies field over here. I'll show you that in just a minute. Okay. So once you have DeathByCaptcha selected, you don't have to have it selected. You can do it through here. But have use captcha solving selected and hit start. Now this is going to go ahead and start creating these accounts. This is still the beta account creator, so if you give it a second, you'll see that it's obviously gone ahead and created it. Bang bang. This one made it. This one probably failed. Similarly to how you can run the queue, you can always right-click here, browser error, go to URL, and it'll tell you if there's something, I guess, wrong code. So in this case, okay, the captcha was incorrect. Not a big deal. So it happens. People are manually solving captchas, but it happens. So try again. Not a big deal, right? Then you can automatically save these as text files, so you can import them back into the program, or you can hit this button right here and import these into your torrent logins right here. Very, very efficient, right? Super good. That's the second thing. Now, the third thing is options. Auto reprocess failed queues. So this checkbox essentially just makes sure that if a torrent failed for some reason, or if a account creation failed for some reason, it will try it again automatically, as opposed to you having to right-click and saying reprocess. It will automatically reprocess a failed torrent. Very simple, very effective, and very useful. So that's that. One other thing, we have 2 other torrent websites coming and an exclusive learning mode which will allow you to add in your own websites. Very, very cool stuff. Super fast uploading. Of course, it depends on current DeathByCaptcha service times, so how their servers are running. If you're using automatic captcha solving, depends on their servers. But apart from that, all is pretty nifty. Oh, sorry, I realized why it didn't work. We had different details set up here for DeathByCaptcha. That's why it said wrong code earlier. But you get the idea. So if we go back to account creator, the Pirate Bay, bang, bang, bang. Hit start. Now it's using the correct details. It's logged in. It should create the account successfully. Oops. If you go back to here we are. And as you can see now, it's created successfully. Captcha's been inputted successfully, and very quick, very efficient. There you go. We have more account creators coming. We have way more stuff coming. Get it before the price rise. for $39.95. Thanks.